Music can move us, inspire us, heal us, and it is doing so on a weekly basis these days at the OSU network of hospitals.
That's right. 10 TV's Brittany Bailey and photojournalist Scott Doling show us how the power of music gave one doctor a much-needed moment of reflection.
Inside these walls, there is a constant flurry of activity, places to be, patients to see. But sometimes, even physicians need to press pause.
It caught my attention. And I just turned to the right and I said, you know what, let me just sit down for a minute and just be in this moment, because it's a lot. It's heavy to carry that with us, and I felt I needed to reflect on that for a moment.
Dr. Angelica Delerme was carrying the weight of the news she had just delivered to a young patient, a terminal diagnosis. Suddenly, this healer needed some healing herself.
I sat down for a few minutes and listened to the rest of the song and just took a moment to breathe and be in that moment and feel, feelings that we sometimes just have to suppress quickly to move on to take care of our patients. And I just reflected on the impact that that patient has had on me.
She shared her appreciation for this string trio from the Columbus Symphony Orchestra on social media. Nurses have taken notice too.
We feel that music is such an important healing thing for not only for patients, but also for doctors and nurses and hospital workers and first responders to just have some live music to give them an uplifting experience throughout their day.
Since May, the musicians have been making weekly stops at the OSU family of hospitals, and their art has brought comfort to the caretakers, peace to the patients, and healing for the healers.
Music is a lot of things to a lot of people, but for doctors that have such a difficult job and deal with difficult situations on a regular basis, doctors and nurses, that to have a moment, a little respite that takes them away from the challenges that they have to deal with and gives them a part of healing, that's really what we can provide with this program.
We're so focused on medication and lifestyle and everything like that, but music truly does hold a power in healing, and I think we need to be reminded of that regularly.
Sometimes the lightest touch can ease the heaviest of burdens, and that which touches our heart can heal it too. Reporting in Columbus with photojournalist Scott Doling, Brittany Bailey, 10 TV News.
Beautiful. Well, the trio performs each week through the OSU Wexner Medical Center Healthcare Workers Wellness Fund. It was established back in April of 2020, and it is completely supported by donations from the community. So, good to hear.